After that, you can call our top module with the help of instantiation. In our top module, we write our top module name is HA. So that same name right is here, half adder. HA means we can call our top module. After that, we write it our test bench name. Suppose we want to write our test bench name is half adder TB. After that, link with our port with respect to our TB. Suppose in our test bench format is like this. This format is follow. Firstly, A and B are input, then sum and carry. Those exactly same format is follow for calling our function. Like firstly we call our A input. So write it format is dot A, then after this port name A dot TB. After that dot B TB. After colon after that carry, I think we write now third time sum. After that sum. You can write anything, not problem, because we define in dot format. That's why we write firstly sum and carry, both will getting same result. Dot sum. After that sum TB. Semicolon. Then one more is left, carry.
अच्छा सा दिक्कत तो होबे करता
carry TB. With the help of this, we can easily call our top module so that we can check our behavior of top module result. Like when we apply, you can see in next. So after that, we apply some input with respect to our data. Suppose in initial block, in initial, then after begin. Suppose we want to take some time for that, 10 nano. We apply A equal to one, binary, this one, and value is 0, semicolon. And also we apply B equal to 1, binary format, that value also is 0. Basically, we want to check our top module with respect to those test vector value. After 10 seconds, again, we apply some input like A equal to 1. 1 means its magnitude is 1. You understand? 1. Suppose we write to 2 means we easily put it 2 value here. Like we want to put 2 means we apply 2 value here. Okay. So that's why we apply only 1 value. So we write 1 here. After we apply 0, 1. Firstly we apply 0, 0. Then after 0, 1. If you're getting any issue, please ask me. After we apply 1, 0. After again 10 nanosecond, we apply 1, 0. and at last we apply 1 1. And after some time we finished our simulation. Otherwise it's simulated again and again. So after 10 we apply stop, so that our simulate after one time run it stop. Suppose we initiate our block with begin, so it is initially with end, and after that end module. This is our test bench. Then it is saved. I'm getting some syntax error. Test bench. I am not connect semicolon here. Again getting some error. Okay, here we not getting semicolon here also. Okay, something is okay, right? In our top module, this one is our top module. In every design in our hardware, in test bench is our top module, because with the help of test bench we can check our design. So that's why we basically in with the help of test bench we can to apply our input, and those input is analysis with respect to output. So in you can easily understand after we simulate that code. In our half adder, firstly we write it our half adder code, and it is checked with the help of this test bench. So that's why it is our top module for this particular module, and this is our top module for half adder. After that, simulation. Getting some error. This is our half adder code, and this is our test bench. In our test bench, we getting some issues. Okay. In firstly we write our test bench name, then after call it a top module function. In our write, suppose we want to write our test bench name is half adder, and after that call this half adder. It is not declared. but top module name is half adder. This is okay. Done dot TV. After that, our top module dot TV. 1 minute. I think my software is not working. Okay, this one left. Sorry, dot left. Okay, okay, that's one. Or here we write it our, this is TB, so that's why we write it TB, not TA only. TB and B also is TB. So because we mention is ATB and TB, and same follow for this one. This is TB. This is also TB. This is T. This is not A. This is TBA. This is ATB. Okay. Now is okay. After save this test bench. Okay. In source scope, you can see that. Now I think all right. Okay. After that, run simulation, behavior simulation. Getting some. Open. If you're getting any error, you can easily see with the help of message window. Into error in, you will please check the TCR. In simulation having 2 error. Which type of error? In half adder TB 27, you click in 27. Then after getting cannot find port A. Okay. Because I calling a top module. Top module name is TB, but B write it TA. That's why we facing some error. So this name is also TB. But our top module name is HA. think all right. Run simulation. I'm getting same issue. Cannot find put on this. Okay, I find top module. In top module having A, B, sum and carry. A, B in input and sum and carry. Those top module call in our test bench. In our test bench having, suppose B12 is this reg is input for test bench ATB and BTB, and buyer is a output for this test bench sum TB and carry TB. After that, we call our top module design with the help of this instantiation logic. Here, our top module name is HA. So that's why we write our HA. HA. Our top module name is HA. That's why we're writing HA. After that, we write our test bench name. You can write anything here. It is our test bench name. After that, we call our A input. Dot A means we call our half adder A input. A input, and those input is connected to our ATB test bench. Means this port is connected to our this port. Similarly, B port connected to B port, and sum output means sum TB is connected to our top module sum, and similarly carry is connected to our carry sum. Okay, I copy this module and try it again. I copy this module. Wait for some time. Okay, this is our half adder. Here everything is clear. After that we add our test bench for that module. After clicking in half adder, right clicking, we getting our add source. In add source, we add a create simulation source. After that, next, and we create file name is, suppose we want to create some file name, half adder TB. Okay, half adder TB is already. I want half. After that, finish. This is left for input and output. Okay. In half adder module, we can put our code. I already copy, then after paste. This is our test bench. Save this test bench. I will check again. Okay. This is our top module, and this is our top module test bench, and this is our top module design. Both are .v file format. After this, selecting it as a top module. In this window, set as top is already set as top. after simulate. I think license. Now we try again. This is our top module. This is our design top module. Okay. We simulate our design so that we check is it okay or not. It is set to our top. This is top module. After we getting this type of sign, it is top module. After that, run simulation. Our top module is working correctly, not getting any issue. Like suppose we want to check manually. Suppose we want to apply a equal to by clicking right click of a. Suppose force constant we apply 1 as a input for a, and for b we apply also 1. Okay, then after simulate, in this simulation we apply a as 1 and b also as a 1. After that simulating, and we getting sum as 0 and carry as 1, so that our module is perfectly working. Suppose we want to change our input. Suppose a we change from 0. Then after we check, okay, when we apply a as 0 and b as 1, then we getting sum as 1 and carry as 0. No problem, our module is perfectly working. But I think we getting some issue in test bench. Anybody find any issue regarding test bench? Please tell me. Now I am audible. Hello.
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Okay. Okay, I check one more time. After that, we discuss another thing. Suppose we selecting our top module test bench, right clicking, then after set as top. With the help of this, we can write it about test bench, or suppose input and output by writing this test bench. We can easily check our input and output with respect to this test bench. You can easily understand here. This is our top module, test bench module. A is write ATB and B is write BTB. And wire for output, sum TB and carry TB. After calling our top module name is HA1. HA1, right? After that TB name dot A for, okay, we can call for some different method to that. Can call for different method. Getting some information. You can also call with some different method, like with respect to same argument we apply in top module, those argument is apply for our test bench. Suppose in our top module, we apply firstly A, then B, then sum and carry. Those same argument we apply in our test bench. Means A means